Hi, I have something else to say about scientific notation for you, um, and that is the use of your calculator. This is very important, folks. If you're not accustomed to using scientific notation, you're going to get stuff wrong, and you're not going to know why it's wrong because you're going to be using your calculator, and you're going to write down what your calculator said, and it's still going to be wrong. Okay, and here's what I mean by that. Let me get you a nice little scientific notation problem from the scientific notation homework. How about that? All right, so let me go down here and show you how you need to use the calculator. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this great little problem right here. What is this a time sign? Yeah, I'm looking for the divide sign. Yeah, this guy right. Look at this problem right here. Can you see that here? Let me make it bigger for you. Look at that problem. Okay, that's not the problem. This is this one? Yeah, it was this one. Look at this problem here. Let's do this problem. Here, let me show you how to do this problem. It's 4.7192 times 10 to the 2 power. All right, so, oh wow. So I'm going to do 4.7192. I'm going to do times 10 to the 2 power. Yeah. And then divided by 3.862 times 10 to the negative 4 power. Divided by 3.862, and watch me, times 10 to the negative 4 power. Is that right? Negative 4 power? Yes, it is right. Okay, I'm going to press the equal sign. Yes, I got an answer. Is it the right answer? No, it is not the right answer. Why not? I mean, I used a calculator. I mean, I typed exactly what I saw. Why is this not the right answer? It's not the right answer because, as seen here, this is the input for the calculator. As seen here, let me show you what the calculator thought you said, or thought I said. All right? I'm going to show you what the calculator, thought I said. I guess the best way to do this is to just erase the whole thing. Okay, so it was 4.7192 times 10 to the 2. All right, so here's what the calculator thought. She thought 4.7192 times 10 to the 2. That's what she thought, yes. Divide 3.862. Okay, so she goes, all right, divide 3.862. All right. And then she goes, then I put times 10 to the negative 4. And she goes, oh, okay, times 10 to the negative 4. Boom! Is that what I meant? No, that is not what I meant. This is what I meant. 4.7192 times 10 to the 2 divided by 3.862 times 10 to the, that's what I wanted. But calculator thought I meant this. And you're always going to get the wrong answer. You're not going to get the wrong answer when you do multiplication. You're going to get the wrong answer when you do division. But you can avoid all of this. You can avoid all of this by using parentheses. Like, what if I put a parenthesis here and a parenthesis here? Then I get a much different answer, and I get the right answer. But who wants to do that? Who wants to keep thinking of parentheses when this problem doesn't have any parentheses in it? I don't. I think maybe you don't either. And so there is a better way to use your calculator. You need to use this button. Oh, this might be covered by the captions, so let me move this up here. You need to use this button. You see this EE button? That's what you have to use. Let me show you how to do that. 4.7192, you go EE2. See that? EE2? This E2 means times 10 to the 2, right? You do not say EE and then times 10 to the power of 2. No. You do not say EE 10 to the power of, no. You do not say E power 2. No. You just say EE2, and that's it. If you have a TI calculator, the button is called EE. You might have to press the shift button to get the EE, but it is called EE. If you're using a Sharp calculator, the button is called EXP. It is the same thing. if you are using a Casio calculator, I don't know what the button is called. I think it is called EXP. If you are using a certain fancy model of a TI calculator, such as a TI 30X or something, the button is actually called times 10 to the power of. I'll show you that in a moment. But when you do that, what was the other number? 3.862 10 to the negative fourth, 3.862 EE negative 4, and I get the right answer. No parentheses. Folks, you need to use the EE key or the EXP key or the times 10 to the power of key. You do not use times 1, 0 to the power of. You do not do that. Okay? When you're doing scientific notation, you do not type times 10 to the power. So let me show you what I mean by some of these other ones, some of these other buttons to press. Okay, look at this fancy calculator. Oh, I like the green one. Let's get a closer look. Let's see here. Oh, look, there's a EE here. To get this E, you type second, and then you type this. So I would type 4.7192 second EE, and then I would type my 2. Okay. Please also note that on most of your scientific calculators, the minus sign is not the same as the negative sign. So for the second number in our problem, which was 3.862 times 10 to the negative fourth, I would be typing 3.862 second EE and then negative 4, not minus 4. You type minus 4, and I think this model says syntax error, or it might just give you the wrong answer. I'm not sure. I want to show you another model, the model that gives you the times 10 to the power of key, because that is a confusing key, given what I've just said here. Is this one of those? No, this has an EE key. This is ideal because the EE key is by itself. It does not require the second button. So I know that there is a TI scientific calculator out there that has a times 10 to the power of key, which is annoying. I think it's this one, yeah. Oh, is it? Yes, it is this one. It is, right? Is it? Is there an E? See, I don't see an EE key. I'm looking for the scientific notation button. No, I know it has it because it's a, okay, there it is. You see it right here? That's the key right there. Let me make it bigger. That's times 10 to the power of. It says times 10 box. Times 10 box. If your calculator has this button, this is your EE key, all right? So you would type 4.7192 times 10 box, 2. So if you want times 10 to the power of 2, you would type this button and then 2, right? So 4.7192, this button, 2. You do not type times this button. No. You do not type this button to the power of 2. No. You just type this button and then 2, right? This is the EE key. All right. All right. You can also find the EE key on your iPhone if you rotate your iPhone to landscape mode, but I do not want you to use your iPhone or any phone on any of the exams that you take in the computer lab with Dr. Valdez. If you have a phone out, I'm going to assume that you are cheating. I don't know what Dr. Valdez will assume, but that's what I would assume. Thank you. And I think that is all that I wanted to say about this. So thank you. Please do the homework. Bye.